Hey, the 250th is on its way, and I want to celebrate and I want to obey the flag code. So while I'll have a flag out there waving, I don't want to waste a bunch of Chinese-made flags all over the place that don't necessarily work with the flag code. So what I did is I got this Windsock. Let's go ahead and open this up. And this is a patriotic themed yet flag code compliant way to show patriotism. So what we've got is a Windsock with a union, and then we just have a bunch of streamers coming off of it. It does come with a strong nylon cord here and the clip, so you don't need anything. You could put this on the corner of a building, on a flagpole, on a tree or something. Lots of places that this will look great, give a patriotic theme, and still comply with the flag code. Have a great 250th.